Morning, it is graduation day. We are still packing up this room, but we're just gonna get into the graduation content. I do have to curl my hair and do my makeup at some point, but my hair is still wet from the shower, so I need to let that dry. I just took everything off my bed. My bed is so short compared to what it was when I had the mattress topper on, but yeah. We're just gonna keep packing and then we're going to get ready to graduate, because I don't graduate until 2 and it's currently 9:03, so we still have a while. But yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, just packing is the big thing. And so I mean, still gonna be in the packing vlog, but you guys will see a little bit here and there. Should be fun. Makeup time on the Kleenex box. I just curled my hair, yeah, but now we're just gonna do some makeup. I'm not good at makeup, so bear with me. My room is quite empty. Sad, but it's fine. But we're just gonna do basic makeup. My mirror is still facing right here. So pretty, so pretty. Yeah. We're gonna start with, I use this primer. I don't know, people say it's good on TikTok, so that's why I use it. Okay, I think that's rubbed in good enough. Don't follow my example. And then I'm gonna take this concealer to just conceal up some red spots. There's not a ton, but there are quite a few. Okay, and then just going to take this blending brush and then we're just gonna brush it out. I am not a beauty blender girly. I do not like my beauty blender at all. I always felt like it just did not do a good job. I also should be pulling my hair back, but I'm not. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with this foundation. It has vitamin B5 in it, and if I'm gonna mess up my face, I might as well do something good for it as well. So we're just gonna, I never know how much to put. It's also very thin. I just got it in my hair. Anyways, it's like 10:58. I don't graduate till 2, but we need to get ready. I still need to eat lunch too. And then I'm gonna take this IT Cosmetics brush. It's my favorite blending brush. I can't tell you what. Oh, number 101. No, I don't know. And we're just gonna blend it in. Like I said, I'm by no means a makeup girly, but I need something to make me look a little less red. I still need this brush, never mind. Just like, I'm gonna TikTok. Okay, now we're going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to brighten up my eyes. I use this shade Light Sand. And I just do that. And then we're going to take a eyeshadow brush first to blend it out. And then we're going to take the foundation brush afterwards. Like I said, I'm by no means a makeup girly, so really don't follow my direction, but you can watch. Okay, now that that's like that, I'm gonna still need this brush too. I'm gonna take this brush, and we're just gonna buff it out there. Okay. And now that that's done, we're going to go back in with this brush. And we're just going to do under my eyebrow. There's a lot. Okay, and we're just going to take a little bit here. And we're just going to go up here a little bit, and then up here a little. That was a lot. And we're just going to kind of blend the two together to try to brighten up my eyes, because otherwise my eyes look dark, believe it or not. Again, probably don't follow my direction because honestly I'm not good at makeup. And I'm probably doing this all wrong. It's fine. Okay, then we're gonna close this so we don't get this everywhere. I like one little flake of mascara. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. It's just under my eyes. I don't really bake it all that much. It's just like an e.l.f. brush. I don't know what brush this is. And we're just going to pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. I think that looks good. And then close her up. And then take a little bit of the Benefit blush and just put a little bit right here. Just to brighten up the cheeks just a little bit. There, like that. And then, what's next? Oh. Eyeshadow. So I don't do a whole lot of eyeshadow, but we're gonna go in with the Naked palette because I'm still a naked girly. That's the wrong brush. Even now, and I'm just using a little pink shade. And I'm just going to go like this. And then the shade typically doesn't show up all that well anymore. Even though this palette is not that old. I mean, it does show up. So after that, I'm going to go in with a different palette. And I think it's this one. It's a Disney palette. Yes. And we're just going to go in with another similar pink color that shows up with a little bit better. And then we're going to go in with the Orgy palette I got from my sister. Can't tell you. And I'm just going to actually, wait. Yeah. Next is the NYX, and I just put a little bit of white in the corners of my eyes. Just to make them a little bit lighter. Now we go in with the Orgy palette, and I just use this light shade, and I just kind of take a wrong brush. Take a little bit and I just kind of put it under my eyes and like in the corner still. I'm talking very quiet. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then eyebrows. I'm going to do too much eyebrows. I noticed the one thing is like kind of clumping a little bit, so we're just going to do this. I'm not good at makeup, like I keep saying, so yeah. And then we're just going to fill in my eyebrows just a little bit. Because I have thin eyebrows, like you can always see a difference. That looks fine. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes just a little bit and then use this Pacifica Aquarian Glaze, and it is water resistant, so hopefully I don't cry because the other one is not water resistant. I also really like the black on this. It just shows up real nice. And that's it. That's my makeup because I am not good at makeup. I also noticed with this mascara that it doesn't flake off like other ones and leave like black under my eyes. I really do enjoy that. But it does take a long time to dry. So like if you blink, you will get it on your eyelid. That's it. Now I just need to make sure that these dry. Now my makeup is done. That's my makeup. I'll see you guys in a bit. I need to get dressed. I need lunch. So, just got dressed. And now we're just getting ready to leave. Brenna wants to join, so we'll have to walk over to join. But I'll show you the packing vlog. Same dress as before. But yeah. Here's my room, all empty. Very sad. Here's everything that still needs to be packed away. There is not much. But that's it. I'll see you guys when we finish closing out. I do need to check out still, but that's it.
The view, she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm moving fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through a hotel lobby.
Fire alarm is going off. Well, that sucks. No graduation.
Look at that girl's hat at the GWGB.
Where?
The little short one.
Oh, I saw it.
Really sparkly.
But I wanted to touch on an experience that changed my perspective and approach to life. And in that sense, I hope it speaks to you as well. My grandfather lost his battle against cancer on July 4th of 2020. This goodbye was different than any other goodbye. I couldn't hug him, he couldn't kiss me on the forehead like he usually did, I couldn't even hold his hand. But I could say I love you. I love you are 3 words that we don't hear enough. My teammate went through the same situation about a month later. She and I talked a lot through our grieving process and ended every conversation with, I love you. Fast forward a few months and athletics were allowed back on campus to train. Shannon, who was my teammate, and I were so used to saying goodbye, I love you to each other that we started saying it to our teammates, coaches, trainers, and classmates. And I even got very close to saying it to some of my professors. This created a domino effect on others, and it got to the point where the people around me didn't say goodbye without following it with, I love you. Hearing I love you has been proven to increase dopamine levels in our brain, boosting our self-esteem. We all deserve to feel valued, appreciated, and worthy of love. The I love you effect is a way for us to validate the belief that something good came out of such a dark time. After 2 whole years of abnormal learning, we returned to campus and experienced in-person classes again. Witnessing one another, enjoying our time, doing various activities was like a breath of fresh air. You could feel the excitement from our professors when they walked into the room, smiling from ear to ear while cracking a joke. It was inspiring to be surrounded by mentors who wanted nothing more than to see us learn and succeed. So much so that they presented us with many opportunities to explore career paths, gain experience, and expand our knowledge. And for that, we are eternally grateful.
That I do have, indeed, the power to dream. Many people look at me today, but my story is a very simple story that I want to share with the graduates today. Never lose your power and never lose your ability to believe in you. When I graduated from college a few years ago, many years ago, 1978, I was offered the opportunity to play professional women's basketball with the Milwaukee Dogs. Now, if you're under the age of 60, you have not heard of the Milwaukee Dogs, but I'm sure your parents. But I chose a different route. I did not choose the familiar route. I chose to go into banking and finance and business. The reason I did that is because I had a passion for what I wanted to do. The reason I tell you don't stop dreaming is because in 1978, I would have been bouncing the ball. But in 2023, I own the ball.
The following student has a major in geoscience, Jessica Brown. The following students have a major in human biology. Juliana.
Congratulating all of our graduates one more time.
If I could ask Dina Mulaney Capetillo Jimenez to come to the stage one more time. We have one more thing to give you besides your diploma as a